Let's dive into something that touches us all, mental health, and dream about what its future could look like. Right now, mental health care can feel like a patchwork quilt. Some parts are warm and comforting, but others are threadbare or missing entirely. The future of mental health is about stitching it all together into something stronger, kinder, and more accessible for everyone. It's about recognizing that our minds deserve as much love and attention as our bodies, and then making that a reality. In simple terms, the future of mental health is about change, big, bold, heartfelt change. It's about moving beyond outdated systems where people wait months for help, feel ashamed to ask, or can't afford it. It's about building a world where struggling doesn't mean suffering alone, and where healing is within reach for every single one of us, no matter who we are or where we live. Imagine a world where your mental well-being is celebrated as a strength, not a secret. A few important things to know. Access is a big deal. Millions of people can't get help because there aren't enough therapists, costs are too high, or stigma keeps them silent. We need more doors open, whether through affordable care, online options, or community support. Prevention beats cure. Right now, we often wait until someone's in crisis to step in. The future is about catching things early, teaching kids emotional skills in school, checking in with people before they're drowning, and making mental health a daily conversation. Tech is a game changer. Apps, AI, and teletherapy are already shaking things up, but they need to be smarter, safer, and paired with human connection. Technology should lift us up, not leave us feeling like just another data point. I feel for anyone who's ever felt lost in this system, or outside it entirely. Maybe you've been there yourself, waiting for a lifeline, or watching someone you love slip through the cracks. It's not fair, and it's not your fault. But here's the beautiful part, we're on the edge of something better, and you're part of it. The challenges we face today? They're fuel for a brighter tomorrow. Let's get creative and turn this around with hope. Communities as healers. What if every neighborhood had mental health hubs, safe spaces where people could drop in for a chat, a workshop, or just a cup of tea? You could help start one, volunteer, or spread the idea. Healing doesn't always need a doctor's office, it can start with us, together. Tech with soul. Imagine AI that doesn't just track your mood but connects you to a real person when you need them most. Or apps that teach mindfulness in a way that feels like a friend cheering you on. We can push for tools that blend innovation with empathy, maybe even dream them up ourselves. A culture of courage. Let's make talking about mental health as normal as talking about a cold. Schools could teach kids how to name their feelings, workplaces could offer mental health days without a blink, and you could lead by example, sharing your story or listening to someone else's. Small ripples make big waves. The future of mental health isn't some far-off fantasy, it's ours to shape, starting now. You have a voice, a heart, and a spark that can light the way. Picture a world where no one's left in the dark, where help is a hand reached out, not a hurdle to jump. That's not just possible, it's inevitable if we keep pushing with compassion and grit.